Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Bilal and I'm a current MDPhD student at the University of Maryland. I'm currently training in the bioengineering PhD program. So I started this channel as a way to kind of share some of the information that I picked up on my own path to medical school, as well as to kind of force myself to balance other elements of my life. So I've always been really interested in making videos, working with animals, and recently I also started traveling. And so this channel is a way for me to integrate all of that. So definitely tune in if you're trying to learn more about medical school and the medical school application process, scientific videos about some of the concepts and techniques that I'm really interested in, but you'll also find videos about animals and traveling as I try to do my best National Geographic impersonation. So if you're interested in watching someone trying to balance all these elements while still keeping up with the demands of an MD PhD curriculum, then please hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on because I'll be posting videos and I'd love to have you guys tune in.